Ah, this one. Oh. We're having a cable car.
Hi.
Cable car ride.
Hi.
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 Going down.
Wow.
It's close.
Wow.
I will stand. It's okay,
Oh
right?
my goodness.
Oh my God.
Later only I will stand. Problem mo.
Dai Joy, ito bang? Dai Bay?
Where you are?
Hi.
Okay, slowly going down.
Yung sa dali. That is the church, right? Next to our hotel.
Oh, that is Holy Trinity Church. Binidyo ko. Okay, enggak.
Yes, it's with me. Hinaabang na internet help.
Baka siguro data mo.
Wow, unlimited daw, di ba? Nahiya naman ako sa 2 araw pa natin dito. Si Berlay.
Berlin.
Hi, Berlay!
Mommy! Mommy! Come here.
Come, Josh.
Your friend is busy.
Hi!
And David, say hi.
Hi. How are you?
Oh, it's empty.
Ano ba yung sabi tayo? Yung two? What's that? Maybe
Friendship.
Yes.
These two. Like
This?
Yeah.
This before nightclub.
Oh.
Not today. No.
Oh,
today.
nightclub.
Yes. Not today.
This one is the friendship.
This I go.
We will go?
Yes.
Okay.
Go.
Oh, okay. Friendship.
Holy Trinity Church. Our hotel is near. Maybe that's, where is that? Maybe that brown and red. Maybe that's the one. Our hotel.
Ang init tayo. Pero pag parang ako galo, ano siya eh. Lamig. Diyan talaga sa talon na yan, di ba? Faster!
Oh, yeah.
5, 4, 3. Landed.
Yes, finish.
WC?
Cable car.
Kung si Jimmy pa kwarto, ganun ako sa karangin. Hi, Pakloy!
Ay, pak.